Thinking of building a WordPress website but feeling overwhelmed? What if you had an AI assistant to guide you every step of the way? Let's walk through how to use ChatGPT to plan, create, and launch your WordPress site without the stress. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to map out your website structure. Just type in a prompt like, "Help me plan a website for my photography business." You'll get a site map with suggested pages and layout ideas in seconds. Step 2. Need content? ChatGPT can write your home, about, services, and blog pages with clear messaging and SEO in mind. Step 3. Ask for theme suggestions based on your brand style and budget. You can even get help choosing and configuring the best plugins for SEO, speed, and security. Want to customize a design or add advanced features? ChatGPT can write clean CSS or PHP snippets you can easily paste using a plugin like Code Snippets. After launch, ask ChatGPT to create a maintenance checklist, content ideas, or ways to improve SEO and performance over time. Ready to build a smarter WordPress website with AI? Start with a prompt and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel for more web design tips.